Hi everyone, I am your Doodle aunt, and if you are new on this channel, I hope you learned something valuable. If you are a complete beginner, there are some tips and tricks for you in this video. So let's get started. Let's start with the materials we need: sketchbook, pencil, a regular gel black pen, scale, sharpener and eraser. Now pick your pencil to draw the outline of your alphabets. For today, I choose A, B, C. Tip number 1. So this is the time for your complete trial and error, guys. Once you are sort of happy with the outline that you created, time to shift on your black gel pen to trace the outlines. Now guys, do not skip the part that when I draw the alphabet B, it looks like I have created it behind alphabet A. Similarly, when I draw alphabet C, it looks like it is behind alphabet B. Time for shading. Yes guys, you heard me right. Shading creates that impact of something being super solid. And here I want to share a tip. Never be afraid of any mistakes. You can mend it beautifully. It's almost complete. Use eraser to clean up to give that one sharp look, or you can say just that professional look. Adding a boundary to your work will create a clean look. Go back to your basic weapon, and that's pencil, and start flowing with whatever comes in your mind. For this very moment, I started with flower petals, random flower petals, rainbow pattern and a random leafy stroke. Added a few curtain, buildings and clouds, which of course has no relevance with my artwork. Once you're done with that, time to go with your black gel pen. Remember guys, I'm using a black gel pen and not a ball pen because it defines your artwork really well. Now here we are going to repeat the whole process once again. That means number 1, defining the outlines with your black gel pen, and number 2, shading to give that special impact. I will be adding one more step here, that is to fill up the spaces with different patterns. Now I'm gonna soon make a video on patterns in my upcoming video, so stay tuned and subscribe my channel too. Well, having said that, I believe that was enough promotion for my channel. I hope you guys noticed during the process that I used a lot of shading to give that depth effect. So do not forget the shading part, guys. Now as usual, you're gonna rub the whole thing. And after this final step, you are done, guys. You are ready with your mini version of your masterpiece. Let's catch up again with my next video of value. With that, check out these two pictures without shading and with shading. Huge difference, right? So next time, till then, like, subscribe and share your love.